So it's been busy times here, and as you can see, I haven't gotten any further on the 10ER. The next step is to get these tubes polished, and then I got some sandblasting equipment, so I'm going to be getting that paint off of the painted parts. But we're going to call this one a shop short. Just this weekend, we were at a hardware store in Pinehurst, North Carolina, and I saw something in the nut and bolt section that I just had to have. Of course, it wasn't for sale. And that was a gauge for checking nuts and bolts. Now, I've got some plastic ones that are okay, but I've always wanted one that was made of metal. And so I looked at this, and it was actually plastic and held individual nuts and bolts on it. And I thought, well, that's clever. I bet there's a 3D print available for that. So I came home and checked. I couldn't find one. And so that took me to where I normally go, which is Amazon, where I found this. Now, I already shared a picture of this over on my forum, that is at mygrowthrings.com. And some people asked me to give them some feedback on it. I said I would as soon as I had it in hand. So here's what's interesting, a couple things about it. It is made of aluminum. It does feature USS and SAE threads, so that's fine and coarse threads in fractional sizes. It also has metric in both coarse and fine. Think about metric. Metric's threads are in what they call pitch, and there's actually quite a range of pitches available. So if you work primarily in metric, if you go to take a look at this on Amazon, I would definitely recommend that you study it to make sure it's going to give you what you're looking for. I was curious because the body of this is made of aluminum. The female threads are aluminum. I wasn't sure if these pieces were also aluminum, so I just grabbed a magnet, and no, they are all steel. Magnets sticking to all of them, so that's good. And that's good for another reason. This was sitting on my couch for all of one day when my young granddaughter came over and picked it up and immediately dropped it, which bent the smallest one. So the fact that it's steel, I should be able to straighten this without causing any damage. So that brings up the question of how do you store this? Personally, I'm going to hang it on something. If I lay it flat on a surface, it's just going to get covered in dust. I suppose it could go in a drawer, but for me, it needs to be hung. And there was a version of this that was about $3 more that had rubber feet in the four corners. Again, that was designed so you could rest it on a flat surface, which just is not good for me. The way that you use these, I grabbed a couple nuts and bolts here and was just playing with this and was surprised by one of them. This is actually, got a call in the middle of that. I'm recording on my phone as I do, and hi, Dana. Anyway, I grabbed this one. This is just a union nut. It looked to be about 3/8 of an inch, and sure enough, it is a coarse 3/8. I grabbed a bolt as well, and I thought for sure that this was also 3/8, and it turns out that it doesn't go in. So I come over here to the M10, and oh, nope, that's binding right there in the M10 with a pitch of 1, but at a 1.5, she goes right in. So wonderful. Funny story, I just got this in. My wife didn't even know that I ordered it, and she came to me the other night with a little acorn nut, and she goes, hey, we need to get a bolt that fits this. I said, well, what size is it? She goes, I don't know what size it is. What length do you need? I don't know, about like this. And then I thought, well, I guess I can take it to the hardware store to check it. I checked it out. It's an M4, it's metric. So now I know I don't have to take that acorn nut and lose it on the way to or from the hardware store. And that really is why I wanted something like this. I'm in the process of stockpiling the hardware that I use every day. I hate having to run to the hardware store for just a thing or two. I don't mind going to Harbor Freight though for some reason. But so this is going to be great to be able to have this, to be able to check. In fact, I got a handful of loose parts here. I'm going to check and get them sorted and back into some storage bins that I have. Anyway, I recommend this and recommend you check it out. I think it was about $14. Something like that. Let's say $15 between friends, 16. Amazon Prime, you'll have it in a day, and I think you'll like it. All right, that's it for this one. See you again soon. Make it a great day.